Everyone thinks the best-selling washer-dryer combo is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different, especially when you realize most of what you see online are just accessories, not the actual machines. Let's fix that. Product number 1: WIBIDA Appliance Dolly Cart. This WIBIDA Appliance Dolly Cart isn't a washer-dryer combo, but hear me out. If you're dealing with a combo unit, moving it for cleaning or maintenance is a real pain. This dolly solves that. It's adjustable from 16 to 24.375 inches, so it fits most compact washers and dryers and supports up to 400 pounds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Combo units are heavy and awkward. You can't just slide them on the floor, especially on hardwood or tile. This dolly lifts the unit just enough to prevent moisture buildup underneath and lets you clean behind it easily. It's made of PVC and stainless steel, and assembly takes about 5 minutes with a snap-on design. Over 1,000 people bought it last month, which tells you how common this problem is. Now, some people complained about the lack of detailed instructions. Here's the thing though, if you've ever assembled anything from IKEA, this is simpler. The parts are clearly labeled and it's mostly pre-built. The real issue is size compatibility. If your machine's base is smaller than 16 inches or bigger than 24.375, it won't fit. Measure first. This is perfect for you if you've got a combo unit in a tight laundry closet or apartment and need to clean underneath regularly. Skip this one if your machine is permanently plumbed or you never plan to move it. At $36.83, it's a small investment for long-term convenience. Product number 2: Garaloo Washer Dryer Top Protector Mat. The Garaloo Silicone Top Protector Mat is another accessory, but one that combo owners swear by. It's a 23.6 x 19.7 inch silicone mat designed to sit on top of your washer or dryer. Why? Because combo units often sit low and you end up using the top for detergent, bottles, or even a coffee maker. Without protection, that surface gets scratched, stained, or warped. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The raised 0.54-inch edge acts like a tray, so if you spill water or laundry soap, it won't drip onto your floor or damage the machine. It's heat-resistant, non-slip, and dishwasher safe. Over 500 people bought it last month, and they're using it for everything: pet bowls, plant stands, even as a temporary laptop pad. The flexibility means you can fold it up when not in use. Now, some people complained it slides around if the surface isn't perfectly flat. Here's the thing though, it's silicone, so it grips well on smooth surfaces like metal or laminate. If your machine has a textured top, just wipe it down first. Also, it's not meant to hold heavy appliances long-term, just everyday clutter. This is perfect for you if you use your combo unit's top as a mini workstation or storage spot. Skip this one if your machine is wall-mounted or you never put anything on top. At $23.98, it's cheap insurance against wear and tear. Product number 3: Sakala Anti-Vibration Pads. These Sakala anti-vibration pads are a game changer for noisy combo units. They're 3.5-inch square rubber pads that lift your machine about 1.8 inches, absorbing shock and reducing noise. If your combo shakes the whole apartment during the spin cycle, this is the fix. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Combo units are compact but powerful, and that often means vibration. These pads stop the walking effect, where the machine slowly moves across the floor, and protect your flooring. They're made of high-quality PP and rubber and fit standard washer feet 1.5 or 1.9 inches. Over 400 people bought them last month, mostly to STOP Chinese letter laundry from waking up roommates or pets. Now, some people complain they don't work on carpet. Here's the thing though, they're designed for hard surfaces like tile, wood, or concrete. On carpet, the fibers absorb some vibration already, so the effect is less noticeable. Also, they don't include ventilation parts, so don't expect cooling benefits. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or have an open floor plan and need quieter cycles. Skip this one if your machine is already on a pedestal or you have thick carpet. At $16.50, it's one of the cheapest upgrades with the biggest impact. Product number 4: Uhimi Portable Dryer. Now we're getting to actual machines, the Uhimi Portable Dryer. It's a 1.5 Cu ft Front-load dryer that runs on 850W and reaches 140 degrees F. It's not a true combo, but for small spaces, it's often paired with a portable washer to mimic one. It handles up to 10 pounds of laundry and has multiple drying modes, including anti-wrinkle and air dry. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in an apartment, RV, or dorm, space is tight. This dryer is only 19.5 inches wide and weighs 37.5 pounds, so you can move it or even wall mount it. The wide 105 degrees door makes loading easy, and the auto stop feature kicks in if the door opens mid-cycle. It's ETL and DOE certified and comes with a 1-year warranty. Now, some people complained it takes longer to dry than full-sized machines. Here's the thing though, it's designed for small loads. If you're drying a full king-size comforter, it'll struggle. But for everyday clothes, towels, or baby items, it's efficient and quiet. This is perfect for you if you need a compact drying solution and already have a separate washer. Skip this one if you want a true all-in-one machine or dry large loads regularly. At $254.10, it's a solid investment for small space living. Product number 5, GDFHBNG GE Lint Filter Kit. Finally, the GDFHBNG 7-piece lint filter kit, a maintenance essential for GE combo owners. It includes 4 thickened WH01X35719 filters and a vent cleaning kit with a new crevice brush. If your GE PFQ97 HSPVDS combo is taking longer to dry or overheating, this could be why. These filters are laser cut for a perfect fit and made of dense, washable foam that traps more debris than standard versions. The vent cleaner reaches deep into ducts, and the whole kit is reusable, so you save money and reduce waste. Now, some people complain the filters don't last as long as OEM parts. Here's the thing though, they're designed to be washed and reused, not replaced monthly. Just rinse them after every few cycles and they'll outlast cheaper disposable filters. This is perfect for you if you own a GE combo and want to maintain peak performance. Skip this one if you have a different brand or don't clean your lint trap regularly. At $30.48, it's a smart, eco-friendly maintenance upgrade. So which one's right for you? The WIBIDA Dolly if you need mobility, the Garaloo mat for surface protection, Sakala pads for noise, Uhami for compact drying, or the GDFHBNG kit for maintenance. None are full combos, but together they solve the real problems combo owners face. Pick the one that matches your pain point and you'll get way more value than just chasing the bestseller list.